I have arrived at Puerto de la Cruz Bus Station in the north of Tenerife.
Magec Hotel.
So this is the front of Hotel Magec. It's the reception area, open 24 hours and looks so beautiful. And there is a tour company here, and this is the restaurant area.
Welcome to Magec Hotel in Puerto de la Cruz. Oh, you have to switch the lights on over there.
Beautiful and big room, so we have 3 beds. So this is the view from the balcony, and there's another hotel in the front. This is the hallway, and let's go to the rooftop.
Which is the
On the level 8 of the hotel. The rooftop hotel.
So this is the top roof, and we can see sea or ocean. Sorry.
They also have like a small pool.
Yeah, they also have the second hotel, Valle Orotava, is also a small pool,
Center.
and there's a town center over there. Oh yeah, and let's have a look in here. It's quite interesting.
Okay, you can start. Oh, let's see the view from the rooftop of Hotel Magec.
Wow, that is absolutely wonderful. That's really beautiful.
Oh, that's the value. And that is the town, the old town of Puerto de la Cruz.
Oh, I love this.
And the seaside.
This is absolutely wonderful over there.
Beautiful Puerto de la Cruz.
Welcome to Magec Hotel, our dinner. first of all, before we actually even start, we have to look at the beautiful green place with a small waterfall. Oh, it's a gorgeous place. And this is the entrance to our magic food place.
Is it good, Anu?
Dobre?
Good? Dobre?
Dobre.
Dobre.
Paella.
So we are having paella tonight.
We are now in a restaurant, Magec Hotel, and look at the fish, variety
Time
of
for
fish.
dinner.
Time for dinner. And I have turkey and some meat.